Welcome to Home of Math. This video we are going to discuss about Venn diagram. Let's start. Here is a one Venn diagram. Look, in rectangle here is two circle, one is A, another one is B. A has some number, B has some number. By this diagram we are trying to solve A union B, A intersection B, different set of B and A, complement set of A and complement set of B. First, A here is like this diagram. This is a A. Inside A, here is some number. Okay, in green part is a A. So we can write here A set is 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7, right? And set B. Set B we can write like this. This circle is a set B, right? So the numbers are 1, 2, 4, 8. So we can write here 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay, so A and B we already get from these two circle. Now main thing, what is A union B? A union B, union means we can take number common and uncommon everything. It means A set has something, B set has something, and combined also something. We will take everything. So we can write like this. A means 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, right? Union B means 1, 2, 4, 8. So in this diagram we will take everything. In the circle has all number is belongs to A union B. So we can write like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. One important thing, don't take number 5 and 9 because this is outside the circle. So A union B, we already get the answer. Now number 4, which is A intersection B. A means 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Intersection B means 1, 2, 4, 8. Now carefully look. In the diagram has lots of number, but both circle are touched in this area, which is this. This is circle A, also circle B. Inside has only two number, which is 2 and 4. So once we try to find out the result of A intersection B, the result should be 2 and 4. Look, here is 2, here is 2, here is 4, here is 4. If we have not the circle or not Venn diagram, we also getting the result checking which number is common. But in Venn diagram clearly we are understand 2 and 4 are common number. So the result is 2 and 4. Okay, so number 1, 2, 3, 4 done. Now number 5, 6, 7. Number 5, different set of B and A. Look, B minus A, what is the number is B? B is 1, 2, 4 and then 8, right? And what is A? A is 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7. If we try to find out the result from this set, the result is what? Look, once we are trying to find out the difference, that time we have to out that number which is common another set. Look, this one is set B and this one is set A. So this set, which one is common? Here 2 and 4 are common, so we should out this one. So result would be this one. Once we find out the result of different set of B and A, we will take that number or that element which is not available in next set. So B difference A, that time 1 and 2 is not available in set A, but look, 2 and 4 are available both side. This one we will not count. Therefore our result should be 1 and 8, and no need to think about others number, just we are out from this set 2 and 4 because this one are common, but no need to think about 3, 6, 7. But question, if our question like A difference B, that time we can write like this. Here is 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 difference 1, 2, 4, 8. This time also 2 and 4 out. This 2 and 4 out because this one is common, and this time our answer should be 3, 6, 7, which is like, we can take mark like this one. Okay, we will get only 3, 6, 7. So here is two things. Once A intersection B just common, on different set of A and B just take from set A, and on once B minus A, that time just take from set B. Okay, clear? This is very important and understanding thing. Now our next question, complement set of A. So for this one we have to know about universal set. Complement of A means universal set difference A, complement B means universal set difference B. In this case, universal set is all element which is A, B and outside AB. It means we can write like this. Universal set is should A, B including 5 and 9. So we can write like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So once we make complement set of A, it means A equals to universal set minus A. So universal set is a 1, 2, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and set A is a what? 2 3 4 6 7. From here we will get, look, 2 3 4 6 and 7 is common. Therefore our result should be 1 5 8 9. So we can write 1 5 8 9, right? This is a universal set. It means we will get only what? Only common thing of U and A will be out, right? 2 3 4 6 7 is a common thing. Similar, complement set of B equals to U and B. U is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. And what is the set B? B is a 1 2 4 8. So 1 2 4 8. So we can write which one is common here. A 1 2 4 8 is a common, because here is 1 2 4 8. So we will take 3 5 6 7 and 9, and our answer will be 3 5 6 7 9. This is our answer. Thank you very much. Long time you are with me, and this is very important math for examination, any competition, and also entrance exam. So try to hard at home, otherwise you will not get good grade in the examination. Thank you. One request, if you think this video is okay for you or helping you, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.